everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I've got a Nomakenolife box. This is from Japan and it contains many Japanese and Korean beauty products. It's $35 a month, a bit cheaper if you sign up for 3 and 6 months as always. And it's actually the same company who do the Tokyo Treat box, if you've heard of that one. So there's usually 8 to 9 beauty products in this. Quite impressed with the box. It's quite pretty, pink. It's quite light. But yeah, let's get on and see what's inside. Oh, okay. So, yeah, so there's quite a few things in here. So we've got the leaflet. Says Gorgeous Gourmet, Volume 51, April 2021. So I'm guessing that's like the theme of it. And then it tells you kind of everything what's in this box. I guess this is April's box maybe? Oh, is it? Yeah, I think so. There's quite a bit of info there and a few other little things. Quite a nice magazine. And then there's other kind of bits of info on this one. Just going to, let's see what we've got here. Strawberry point pads. What's a point pad? Strawberry point pad. Is that a face mask or? Okay. Pure Smile. I'm not seeing what this is. Ah, got it. I've got it. Juicy Fruits Point Pack. This fruit point pack contains 10 fruit fun-shaped sheets, strawberry, lemon and kiwi. They are made with fruit essence to help repair problem areas quickly. Remove makeup, moisturise your face. Apply a point pack sheet and leave for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so that's I guess a bit like face masks. Can't really smell much through the packet. They're really wet though. Okay, so that's those. And then I have got, okay, what's this? This little box here. Ah, it's lip tint. Popsicle time. Lock in the moisturiser with this J Darling lip tint. Made with delicious fruit extract. Also cute packaging, which it is. Let's just open this up and have a bit of a better look. Oh, that's cute. It actually looks more like nail polish, but I can't get it off at the moment. I've seen a lip tint like that before, but that's quite cute. Okay. There's this. It says it's a sponge. See what it says about this. Konjac is a root used in Asian cuisines to thicken and add texture, but it's becoming popular in beauty products. Made of konjac fibres, gentle on even sensitive skin, used as part of your everyday skincare routine to remove dead skin cells. And this is one of 4. There's 4 different types, and this is the one that I've got. So, it's cherry blossom, but it's can't really smell much for it. Obviously not food. There's that one. And okay, so we've got a Betty Boop. I think this feels like a mask. Let me see. Boop lip pack. Want plump hydrated lips? I love Betty Boop. This sweet lip pack comes in one of 3 fun flavours: cherry, cotton candy and apple pie. Clean your lips, apply the pack and leave for 5-10 minutes. Oh, it looks like I've got the pie. Yep, pie symbol there. So I should look at the apple pie one. That's cute. Another mask sheet. It says eggplant on it. So this one, yeah. If it's good for your body, it's good for your skin too. If it's skin food, We couldn't agree more. Vegetable and fruit face masks made from 100% cellulose, which is light, adheres to your skin and locks in moisture. Get one of a kind. So this is eggplant, this also kidney bean, carrot, basil, tomato, watermelon. How strange. So yeah, it's just a sheet mask. Couple of items left. What's this one? We've got a single shadow. That's in quite a dark kind of reddish brown colour. These say, want to look like a snack? Adorable eyeshadows come in colours inspired by restaurant dishes and feature from food. Comes in 1 of 5 delicious shades: miso ramen, gambas algae, beef steak, roast pasta, and something else which I can't really read. Which one have I got? I'm not too sure. It's kind of like a brownish shade. Maybe like a hint of red going on there. That's that one. And oh, this is cute. What's this? This is a handmade dessert soap. How cute. Did someone say dessert? Beautiful soaps are carefully crafted by a team of 24 people with disabilities. Oh wow. Giving them independence and purpose. Soaps are made with vegetable oil, so environmental friendly and moisturising. That's adorable. Cool. A cupcake soap there. Oh, let's do it out. You got like a candy cake foil on the bottom going on. It's very cute. And then the final item, which is a big item. Okay, what's this? Got like a big teddy bear head going on there. Let's see, a bear bath butter. Need to relax and digest, recreate the Japanese hot spring experience at home with the bear mineral infuser. Comes with 3 types of stones, which heat up and release rich minerals to your bath. How to use: fill the bear with the stones, replace the cap and seal, place the bear in the bath water, fully submerged and attached to the wall or tile with a suction cup. Okay. It's a strange one. Okay, so it shows you on the back. I'm not going to get it out because I don't want the stones going everywhere. But there's like stones there, and then it kind of shows you on the bear's head that you put the stones in there like that. I've actually never heard of one of these, but yeah, it should be good to try maybe. Certainly have a go. So that's that one. So I got the bear body thing and the cute soap, the eggplant mask, Betty Boop lip mask, sponge, the eyeshadow, lip tint, and the strawberry puffs. 8 items in total, and all the it tells you what they are in English. So that is the Nomakenolife box. So yeah, Nomakenolife box from Japan at $35 per month. I'll put the details below, and I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching, and a goodbye for now.